the Chairman and Commissioners of the Commission on Elections, sitting and bank as the National Board of Canvassers of the May 12, 2025 national and local elections, do hereby proclaim Maria Imelda Romualdez Marcos as Senator-elect to serve for a term of 6 years, ending on June 30, 2031, in accordance with Section 4, Article 6 of the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines, given this 17th day of May, 2025, in the city of Manila, Philippines. Signed, Chairman George Erwin Garcia, Commissioners Amy Perolino, Ray Bulay, Ernesto Ferdinand Maceda Jr., Nelson Celis, Maria Norina Tangaro Casingal, and Noli R. Pipo, attested by Executive Director Teopisto E. Elnas Jr.
May we request the family and friends of Senator Marcos to come up the stage for a photo opportunity. Nasa baba na lang sila. Now, may we request Senator Marcos for a short message.
Sa mga ginagalang naming commissioner ng COMELEC, sa aking nanay na nasa siyam na 96 years old na, at kasama ng aking mga anak na kailanman hindi nagduda na ako'y mananalo. Kay Presidente Duterte, ang ating dating Pangulo, na Oktubre pa lamang, itinaas na ang aking kamay, at sa kanyang anak, na hanggang sa huling sandali, si VP Inday Sara ay ako'y kinakampanya. Sa inyong lahat ang tagumpay na ito, kahit gaano kailap at kahirap, ay isang katibayan na kapag ikaw ay nanindigan para sa tama, mananalo ka. Hindi nagmaliw ang paniniwala ko sa dunong ng sambayanang Pilipino. Nadama at alam nila ang ibig sabihin ng sakripisyo at prinsipyo, at gagawaran nila ito ng suporta at pagmamahal. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas! Ikinararangal kong maging ika-12 sa listahan ang tumapos sa lahat na ito. Salamat sa inyong lahat.
Thank you very much, Senator Marcos. Now, May we request Commissioner Nelson J. Celis to read the proclamation certificate of Senator-elect Manuel Mercado Lapid.
Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. We, the chairman and commissioners of the Commission on Elections, sitting en banc as the National Board of Canvassers of the May 12, 2025 national and local elections, do hereby proclaim Manuel Mercado Lapid as Senator-elect to serve for a term of 6 years, ending on June 30, 2031, in accordance with Section 4, Article 6 of the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines. Given this 17th day of May 2025 in the city of Manila, Philippines. Signed, Chairman George Erwin Garcia and the 6 commissioners, Amy Ferolino, Ray Bulay, Ernesto Ferdinand Maceda Jr., Nelson Celis, Maria Nuria Tangaro Casingal, and Noli R. Pico. Attested by Chupisto Elnas Jr., Executive Director.
May we request the family and friends of Senator Lapid to come up the stage for a photo opportunity. Again, may we request our senators and the family to come up on stage for a photo opportunity. Now, may we request Senator Lapid for a short message.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Unang-una po ay nais ko muna magpasalamat sa ating mahal na Panginoon at sa ating mahal na Pangulo, President Bongbong Marcos, at kay Commissioner George Garcia, sa ating bumubuo ng mga komisyoner nandito sa harap ngayon, at ang alyansa ng bagong Pilipinas. At nagpakasakit at pakasipag si Congressman Toby Janko ng campaign manager ng alyansa. At sa aking mga minamahal sa buhay, ang aking pamilya, at ang lahat ng lingkod lapid na nagpasakit at Senate team, at lahat ng tumulong at nagtiwala at sumuporta sa akin at lahat ng mamamayang Pilipino. Number 11 po ako, number 12. Nakakahinga na tayo. Nakahinga na rin po. Saan niyo po, at apat na term ko na po ito bilang senador, at gagawin ko po lahat ng aking magagawa. At sisipagan pa natin, maghanap po tayo ng mga batas na para sa ating mga mamamayang Pilipinong mahihirap. Mabuhay po ang Pilipinas, mabihay po ang lahat po ng mga Pilipino. Sa inyo po lahat, maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much. May we request Commissioner Ray E. Bulay to read the proclamation certificate of Senator-elect Camille Aguilar Villar.
We, Chairman and Commissioners of the Commission on Elections, sitting unbanked as the National Board of Canvassers of the May 12, 2025 national and local elections, do hereby proclaim Camille Aguilar Villar as Senator-elect to serve for a term of 6 years ending on June 30, 2031, in accordance with Section 4, Article 6 of the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines, given this 17th day of May, 2025, in the city of Manila, Philippines. Signed, Chairman George Erwin Garcia, Commissioner Amy P. Perolino, Commissioner Maria Norina S. Tangaro Kasingal, Commissioner Nelson J. Celis, Commissioner Noli R. Pipo, and Commissioner Ray E. Bulay. Palakpakan po naman natin siya.
May we request the family and friends of Senator Villar to come up the stage for a photo opportunity. And may we request Senator Villar to give us a short message.
To the Chairman of the Commission of Elections, Honorable George Erwin Garcia, Honorable Ray Bulay, Honorable Amy Ferolino, Honorable Nelson Celis, Honorable Ernesto Maceda Jr., Honorable Marta Tangaño Kasingal, Honorable Noli Pipo, sa lahat po ng nandito ngayong hapon, sa ating mga minamahal na kababayan, I stand here incredibly honored and humbled by this opportunity. I'm grateful to God that we had a peaceful elections with a very good result. And today, with all humility, tinatanggap ko po ang responsibilidad na ito at karangalan na ito. And I promise that I will work twice as hard, that I will stand twice as firm, and that I will serve with all my heart and exhibit leadership, because leadership is about showing up, standing up when it's easier to play it safe, and speaking out when it's more convenient to stay silent. I am overwhelmed by this moment because this journey hasn't been easy, and my heart is simply filled with love and gratitude. Again, I would like to thank God, everyone who supported and was part of my campaign, to everyone who pulled me through this, to my fellow candidates and my fellow senators. You are all an inspiration to me, and thank you for encouraging me. Sa lahat po ng nag-volunteer at kasama ko nung kampanya, maraming salamat. And to my family, to my husband, Erwin, to my kids, Tristan and Cara, thank you for being with me through the highs and lows. To my brothers, Paolo and Mark, thank you for guiding me and bringing me home. And above all, to my parents, to my mom, Senator Cynthia, and to my dad, Senator Manny Villar. Papa, I remember I told you when I was younger that it was my dream to be like you and to serve and to help as many people as I could. And thank you for helping me achieve my dreams and making my dreams come true. And higit sa lahat po ng ating mga kababayan na tumulong po sa akin at nagbigay ng tiwala at suporta, maraming salamat po. Iingatan ko po ang inyong tiwala at suporta at makakaasa po kayo na magtatrabaho po ako para yung mga pangarap natin para sa sarili natin, sa ating mga mahal sa buhay, sa ating pamilya, at para sa ating bansa ay makakamit natin ng sama-sama. Muli, maraming salamat at mabuhay po kayong lahat at mabuhay ang Pilipinas.
Thank you very much, Senator Villar. May we request Commissioner Maria Norina S. Tangaro Kasingal to read the proclamation certificate of Senator-elect Pilar Juliana Shram Cayetano.
We, the Chairman and Commissioners of the Commission on Elections, sitting en banc as the National Board of Canvassers of the May 12, 2025 national and local elections, do hereby proclaim Pilar Juliana Shram Cayetano as Senator-elect to serve for a term of 6 years, ending on June 30, 2031, in accordance with Section 4, Article 6 of the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines, given this 17th day of May 2025 in the city of Manila, Philippines. Signed, George Erwin M. Garcia, Chairman, Amy P. Ferolino, Commissioner, Ray E. Bulay, Commissioner, Ernesto Ferdinand P. Maceda Jr., Commissioner, Nelson J. Celis, Commissioner, Maria Norina S. Tangaro Kasingal, Commissioner, Noli R. Pipo, Commissioner, attested by Teopisto E. Elnas Jr., Executive Director.
May we request the family and friends of Senator Cayetano to come up to stage for a photo opportunity. And may we request Senator Cayetano for a short message.
Good afternoon, Commissioners, fellow Senator-elects, and all the guests. Una sa lahat, gusto ko magpasalamat sa ating mga guro na walang kapagod-pagod na naninilbihan po during this election period. Sa lahat ng volunteer and COMELEC workers, and of course the commission headed by Chairman George Garcia. Salamat sa mga supporters ko na for the 4th time hinalal niyo ako bilang senator. Sa staff ko na walang kapaguran na tumutulong sa akin. And of course to my family, especially to my mom who's not here right now, but my mom, my brothers, my kids, and of course to God. Maiksing kwento po. 21 years ago, I was elected as the youngest ever female senator. And I entered the Senate with a good name, with a background in law, and a mom of 2 young girls. My 2 young girls are no longer little girls, and I now have another son. And I worked inspired by the legacy of my late father, Senator Rene Compañero Cayetano, and the public service of my brothers, Alan, Ren, and Lino. I had the privilege of watching, of observing, and learning from great men and women of the halls of the Senate. The late Miriam Defensor Santiago, the late Edgardo Angara, Joker Arroyo, Juan Flavier, Nene Pimentel. They're all gone now, but I learned and I continue to keep their memory in my heart. And so, I know it's now my time to give back, not only to lead by example and to uphold and conduct myself in a manner becoming of a senator, but also to mentor the young. So I look around, and sino ba yung newly elected and young dito? Walang iba kundi si Camille Villar. Siyempre, bata pa si Bam, pero hindi na new si Bam. Di na. Si Kiko naman, who's not here with us, ahead pa yan sa akin. So si Camille lang, you're the only one I'll mentor, Camille. But to the rest of my colleagues, I look forward to engaging with you in healthy and heartfelt debates, to argue with you, and sometimes to fight with you to the point na I will not talk to you that day because mainit talaga ang ulo ko dahil hindi tayo nagkakasundo. Pero hihimayin natin ng isa-isa ang mga batas na hinaharap natin sa mga kababayan natin because they deserve no less. They deserve no less than people that they elected with different points of view, with different backgrounds, to argue their points, to find what is the best solution, and not to compromise just because it's easier to compromise, but to find the very best that the Filipino people deserve. We live now in the age of transformation and the age of innovation. We live in the time of acceleration, which means napakabilis pumalit ang mga bagay. Most of us who were elected grew up with a rotary phone, with a typewriter, with a file of fax, with a fax machine, with a telegram. Ask your children or grandchildren sitting here today, do they even know those words? Telegram means something else today. I asked my kids if they knew what a file of fax was, and they did not know. So we must change. We must be willing to learn. We must be willing to accept that things that we grew up with are no longer the things that our young people are growing up with. And we can only do that if we humble ourselves and begin to learn all over again. So with that, I will show up with a humble heart. I know that the Senate will stand up and be the leaders that this country deserves. So ako po yung nagpapakumbaba muli, nagpapasalamat sa inyong tiwala sa akin, and I am ready to serve my 4th term. Thank you very much.